Hello friends, this is Reza. Thank you for joining me. I've had a bit of a catastrophe, so do be patient with me. I am filming a tutorial today. Here's our video. We are doing a collab mani with Miss Nerdy Creations, also from YouTube. Do check out her channel. She's in the description box below. And go ahead and give her a follow if you can. She does some really great things. She's a beautiful work, very creative. So here's the meat of the matter. I had a camera malfunction during the tutorial, and the footage appears to have not filmed properly. So here is what we have. We have a half done mani, and I'm going to join you on the rest of the tutorial. So let me walk you through what I've done. My mani's on The Last Unicorn by Peter S. Beagle. We were supposed to be doing books. I'm rushing through this. I apologize. So I've done the thumb, the first finger, and the ring finger already, and I'll walk you through what I did. And then we'll do the middle finger and the pinky together. So here's what I've done. I have stamped Simply in Black from the Happily Never After BM-X-L012 plate by Bundle Monster over that gradient. I did my gradient with this sponge. It's available on Amazon. It might be available on Amazon, but I buy them from either eBay or what's the other place? AliExpress, of course. And Butometry is where I got this one. They also have them. So over that gradient, we have done the gradient in just a dark blue, a medium blue, a light blue, and a forest green, so that you don't feel pressured to buy the same colors as me. And here's how that turns out. So that's with that stamp. That was easy enough. I have a decal going for the middle finger. I've colored this in just for what would be on the actual nail. So let me show you this side of it so you can see the unicorn. Isn't that lovely? And that is from which plate? Bundle Monster S184. This one. All right. So the moon on this guy is from W420 by Winstonia. Available in their set. So on the wave one, we have a plate that you can no longer get, I believe, from Powder Perfect. They have closed, or they're closing. Art Nouveau 1, and this was the waves from that nail. So I believe I have caught you up. We will have some fun stamping these last two together. I've just really reduced the size of my video for you guys. I hope that's a positive thing. This was going to be a long one because it's one of those encyclopedic manicures, right? Where you use all sorts of plates because you're telling a story. When you're telling a story, sometimes each plate that you use has just one element that you need. All right, so here's some trees. Those go down in front of the fire, behind the fire. All right, perfect. So here's that, right before we put on the fire. So for the fire, what are we gonna do? We know that fire is different colors. So knowing this gradient that I have stamped on it before, here's what we're going to do. We've got a red from Beauty Big Bang. We've got an orange from Born Queen. We're going to loosen those lids. It's always so funny when they squeak. They're my little stamping mice. All right, and for the first layer we've got yellow, and for the second layer we do gold. So this is a Born Pretty yellow. So the hotter it is, the lighter the color. So let's do some yellow there, just a tad bit of orange, and then we've got the red. We don't want those colors to blend too terribly much, so we're going to go ahead and do just one swipe. We need some tape and stamp. See how that doesn't quite show up? So we do 2 layers of that. Let me clear off the table, clear off the plate. All right, so now we're going to use gold for the bottom. I've just found that it projects a little better. So here's our gold. Here's our orange. Here's our red. And after one more time, this should show up just like it does on my pinky. Tape again. Where's my tape? Now this won't always go this fast for you beginner stampers, and everything's harder on the nails. I don't like that little white place here. I may have chosen another shape, but that's okay. This is just a demo. All right, so now we've got that decal, guys. Last but definitely not least, this is the star of the show, so I'm kind of glad it's on the middle finger, right? So first things first, we put down our sticky base coat. I'm just going to dab it on because I don't want to wait for it to dry, because I am showing you stuff. I don't want to have to take another break. I've blown on my nail, and let's see what happens now, shall we? This is the big moment. Very importantly, we don't want the decal to fold back on itself, covering the unicorn. We want everything to go smoothly. I'm going to take my handy dandy scissors and cut the rest away. If this were on your nail, you'd probably want to use some cuticle pushers. There's sometimes some of them have like a kind of a spatula shaped end, and you can just press down around your nail and get rid of that extra that way. And then just a teeny bit of acetone will blend it in with your nail if you want to dab it on the sides. But that is up to you. So let's get that top coated. That is really minuscule detail. I don't know if you guys can see. So we're going to use, actually, here. We're going to use Sèche Vite today. Love this mani. I am so happy with this. So there we go. We have completed our manicure. Please subscribe if you haven't. It really helps me out. Tells YouTube you like my videos, which is good information for me too. Leave a comment below if you have something you want me to do a video about, or if you like the mani or anything, any comments or questions of any kind. And do press the like, please. Let me know I did okay. And I will see you guys later today to start my 30 and 30. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I hope you like the mani. You do let me know what you think, and I will see you later.